Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for another video. Today I am making a custom spread for Jenny, who's one of my patrons over on Patreon. Jenny, thank you again for being a patron this month. She requested a horizontal spread and she didn't purchase the new books from Live Love Posh. So I am going to use one of these. I already actually pulled the sticker sheets and I believe it came from, yes, it came from Chic Summer. So I'm going to use the stickers from Chic Summer to decorate her spread because look how pretty these are. There's coordinating, well, actually, I don't think this goes with this, but I'm making it go with it because I wanted some florals. There's some really cute boxes here that I'm going to pull in. And then look how cute that little doggy is. I love these little, like, they look like Polaroid photos. So yeah, love this color scheme and everything. And since I'm going to need more boxes, I'm going to pull in some more Live Love Posh sticker books. So I have pink blooms and green blooms. So all of these will be linked down in the description. I believe they're all still available. I believe these are available too. So that'll be available if you want to purchase any of these. And I have a 10% off link or code too. All right, so let me get started on this. So I definitely want to put some of these, this huge like flower. I actually forgot to ask Jenny what she uses this planner for. Let me get my mat too. Because I know I do another, it's so funny, both of my patrons who are named Jenny, well, Jennifer, and then I have Jenny. So both of them request horizontal spreads. I know that the other Jennifer, she uses hers for journaling. So I need to ask, I forgot to ask Jenny what she uses her planner for, because if she uses it more functionally, then I can put like different words like headers and to do headers and remember headers, things like that. So yeah, my bad. I will make sure to get that info from her next time. All right, so I have this mat because I just want, sometimes these pieces fall. I'm actually just going to place them on the mat because that's what I used to do with my other table. And now I can't take it to this table because I just don't want to ruin my table. I'm sure it'll be fine, but like I said, I just don't want to get like all that gunky stuff on it. And actually, I think I need to clean my scissors because I do have like these non-stick scissors. I was trying to see how long it would take for them to not get sticky, but they're already like getting a little sticky even though they're non-stick, so that's fun. But look how pretty that is. Okay, so that is a good corner piece. Now I have this one. I definitely want to add this. And really the only place, because it's a corner piece, is I could do, it's a cute little scene. Oh, I ripped it. Of course I ripped it. All right, I could do it against a box, but I kind of just want to do it here. Oh, it goes around the Thursday a little bit, so that's good. I could put another like Thursday on top so you can still see the word, but I think that looks good. All right, and then I love these little photos. Let's see about getting these. I could start doing some of these. This is cute. This box. Let me grab a pink box from here. Let's see. I'm trying to find a bigger box, but not that big. Okay, this one. That's a perfect pink color. So let's get some pink on here. And then I can put maybe one of these like clusters in the corner. Definitely have to find a special place for that dog because he's super cute. And look how cute these boxes are. They look like little quote boxes. So I'm gonna grab a bigger box from this Pink Blooms sticker book. I have this one. let's do this one. Let me get some of these flowers. Let's see, I have this little one. I'm just gonna stick on the corner. Okay, I'm actually gonna touch this off to the side a little bit more because it doesn't need to be in frame. All right, and then I can do some flowers over here. Let's see, I'll do this little one. Corner. Okay, and then I want to add these. I feel like I should like stack them. Maybe you can do it here. And then let's add another box. Just for more space for writing for Sunday. I think that looks good. This dog is so cute. Okay. Alrighty. Definitely more flowers. Put some over here in this corner. And okay. I need to figure out where this dog is going. I mean, I kind of want to put him here. Actually, let me cut off some of this white piece just so he can be like a little bit closer here. That's cute. All right, happy with that. All right. And I want to add one of these over here. And I can do another pink box. Okay, I'm gonna grab one of these smaller ones. Look, it's falling apart. Oh, I wanted to mention, okay, so you can see how like this book has been falling apart. I feel like it started falling, these books always fall apart very easily. But on the new Live Love Posh sticker books, the pages are actually perforated now. And they seem to be, like this book seems to be a lot more like sturdier on the top. So things aren't falling out. And I like that it's perforated so that way you could just I just pulled these out. I just pulled them out super easy. It didn't mess up the binding, which that will eventually mess up the binding and make things fall out. But just honestly, like flipping through the books, like these older ones, things just started falling out. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this, that they did this little feature on here, added this perforation. It's making the books seem like they're sticking together better, which is good. So yeah, I'm really liking that change to the books. All right, this side looks, it's very full, but I'm loving how it looks. I just feel like maybe I need a couple more things on this side and then I can finish my focus more on the other side. Oh, and I want to add some washi too. But since I don't know the words, let's see. These are kind of cute. I wonder if I should change. I've never done this actually. So I have these Monday. It has the days of the week, which I could change. I'm gonna do it because, like I said, I needed to cover this. I covered that up, and I needed to put a new one on. So maybe this will work. Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, I think that works. All right, so I'm gonna finish off the other side. We have Friday. Saturday. And then Sunday. I need more green too. Okay, that works. Yeah, I really like those green boxes. Okay, so on this side, let's see if I add green. I have this green boxes book. Which green was this? I like this darker green. Definitely need some on this side though. Maybe not. Okay, I'm gonna leave it as is. Okay, I'm gonna add this box over here. And then again, I want to add this. This one's fun. I like that one. I'll add that one here. Okay, I could add some stuff with this one. I can't remember if she likes girls. So I'm going to hold off on the girls. Can't remember. Some people like them, some people don't. So, you know, put the little ball up there. That's cute. Ooh, I could add this to get more green on the page. Let's see, it's kind of random. No, you know what? I'm gonna add a flower. Because I really like the orange one. To get more green on that side. I think that works. Okay, cool. Now I just need a couple more boxes. The pink ones, I think, will be good. Oh, and then bullet points. Definitely want to add some bullet points. Let's see. You know what? Let me add some bullet points in first before I start filling it in with other stuff. Oh, and I have to grab that washi. I grabbed some washi, but I don't know if it's going to work with this spread because I wish I had like a pink striped washi. That would have been perfect for this spread, but I don't have washi like that. I need to look for some washi. Maybe I should add green. I feel like I just need more green on this spread. So let's go back to the green one. Oops. Yeah, I need green. Okay, but I like the dark green. I think there's more, hopefully. Oh no, there isn't. Oh yes, there is. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm just pulling these dark green little bullet points and a couple up here. Okay, cute. Love that. All right, last thing again is washi. I just don't know if the washi I pulled is gonna work for this spread because I just pulled, no, it's not. I pulled black washi and I really don't want to add black because everything is, I just want to add black. So I have this washi here. It is a kind of pinkish diagonal white stripe washi. I'm just gonna add it I really need to revamp my washi collection because I just haven't been happy with it recently. So yeah, I need to find some more like neutral washi, but in colors. Like I've been wanting to incorporate more color into my spreads with washi, but the only ones I really have that I like are black and white washi. And sometimes in spreads like these, I feel like I don't want to add in black and white. So yeah, they really don't work the way that I'm wanting them to. So I think I'm just going to add it to a couple places. I think it goes well with this one. I actually don't remember where this washi's from. I want to say it's from Happy Planner just because of the size of it. It looks like a Happy Planner washi, but I have no idea like from what collection or release it came from. Okay, I think that's good. All right, so that's gonna be my spread for Jenny. Came out really fun. Love this sticker book. Definitely check these out. I have flip throughs on my channel of these books, and you'll be seeing them more because, you know, we got summer and there's really good summer themes in here. So these are great to pick up. So I feel like summer for me is the hardest to decorate for themes because I'm not like a huge fan of summer, but I love tropical vibes. So loving this. And I really love these little photo ones. These are my favorite. And of course, a cute little doggy always helps. All right, so that's going to be it for this spread. Jenny, I hope you like your spread and enjoyed watching this plan with me, and I hope you all enjoyed watching as well. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please hit that subscribe button. And I hope to see you in the next one.